Hello, Paul Robinson from bushcraftcanada.com. Right, we've just got our delivery in today of the new Mora Garberg Carbon, which has just come out from Mora. I've been waiting for quite a while now. Actually, there's been a lot of questions from customers, and you know, a lot of interest in the Carbon Garbergs. Of course, the Garberg originally came out as Mora's first full broad tang knife 2 years ago. And was you know, very successful knife. Several reasons for that. You know, it's very good quality steel, very robust knife, very good price, very well designed, and you know, just an excellent value bushcraft knife. So there always was a plan to do a carbon version. It's just taken a little bit longer to come out, and this is the result. So basically, the overall dimensions are the same. It's 9 inches overall length, 4.3 inch blade, Scandi ground, and has this very tough polyamide handle. So it's much tougher than, you know, traditional sort of plastic. These polyamides are really impact resistant. It's very tough, you know, traditional sort of Scandinavian design, and very comfortable. Has that nice barrel shape with a nice palm swell. Like I say, it gives you a very good grip. Feels a very solid knife actually. 3.2mm thick spine, and the spine itself is kept at 90 degrees for, you know, use with a fire steel. Very robust knife, a little bit of weight to it, and like I say, it feels a very solid, tough, and reliable piece of equipment. So this one, of course, is different from the stainless steel, which is a 14C28. This is a high carbon Swedish steel, 58 HRC, and what they've done is they've put the DLC titanium oxide coating on it, just to give it a bit of resistance. Obviously, being a high carbon steel, there's always some issues that with possible rusting, so they've put this coating on to give it a bit of protection. But essentially, it's the same knife. You know, people do, I mean, there's definitely a demand for carbon steel, and more of sort of reacted to that. So, you know, I think overall these Garbergs are excellent, great bushcraft knives, great, you know, general outdoor knives, and you know, excellent value. I think that they're, you know, a very good knife, and I think these carbon ones will be extremely popular. Like I say, it is full broad tang, and the tang's exposed at the end. So, like I say, very robust, excellent knife. And of course, you know, Mora manufacturing is to a very high standard, and nice that it's still all made in Sweden. Very good. Comes with a couple of different types of sheath. You get the multi-mount sheath, which is basically a plastic sheath that you can belt mount, and then also you have a little carriage system that goes onto it, which means you can pack mount. It gives you a few different options. Or it does come with a leather flap over sheath as well, if you want that. But like I say, you know, value for money, excellent. You know, good components, very high-end materials, and very good design. So it's a great product, and I think it's going to be a very popular knife indeed. So there you are. That's the Mora Garberg Carbon, and these are out at the moment. We have them on our website, bushcraftcanada.com. If you want to see them there, you can just look under Mora Knives, or as always, you can just give me an email, paul@bushcraftcanada.com.